Hi, it's Glenda, and today I'm making a nurture soap unboxing. I only got a handful of things, so it should be quick. Ooh, what's here? This must be, that's a nice bag. It's probably sample. Oh. Oh, this is cute. This is funny. Oh, that's nice. Alright. These are colorants for bath bombs. Blue Lake, and this red dye is going to make a pink actually. Oh, yes. This is Cinnamon Supreme Fragrance. I've always liked the scent of cinnamon, but I usually, like in essential oils, you can only use a very small amount because it's a skin irritant. And even when you find it in fragrance, you have to use low amounts and it tends to accelerate. This one has reviews, or at least the description says that it behaves well in cold process soap. So let me see. Oh, it does smell like cinnamon. It smells like the cinnamon candy type. A little bit spicy. It smells good. I can't wait to try this. Oh, and it doesn't discolorate and it doesn't accelerate, and I can use up to 5% in soap, which is what's strange because most cinnamon scents you have to use very small amounts and they discolor. So I'm very excited to try that one. And they have this on sale. These are piping bags. Did I order two? I only meant to order one. But there are 2 boxes. I have to go check my order. But anyway, I don't even pipe, but it was on sale, so I had to buy it, right? I do plan on piping some in the future. And this is the perfect red set. This is a mix of micas. You know, Nurture soap has the really red colorant that gives you a bright red, but it does bleed into other colors. So supposedly if I mix this one, red neon, with red vibrance in equal parts, I should get a nice red color that doesn't bleed. I'll be testing that out. But anyway, that's it. See you next time. Bye.